My only hope here today, my only hope, is that you will make something of my story and use it to change your own ending.
An event like this is important because we're getting exposure to things that are outside of our day-to-day with our own businesses, things that can help us work smarter, things that can help us lower our risk.
The agenda, from the speakers to the food to the drink to the breaks, everything about it is world class.
If you knew every time you got a lead there was a 50% chance that it was a $100,000 deal for you, you would spend a lot of effort to figure out AI.
I get to see in and around hundreds, if not thousands, of other MSPs across America and around the world, and there is no other MSP like JMARK.
What I really love about JMARK is the leadership skills that you all have too, so culture. So just being able to partner in that and learn from you, and that relationship has been really, really rewarding.
Every business that wants to grow and protect what they have is something you really need to put on your calendar for 2026 and beyond, not just for Springfield, but the region.
It is critical as a region and within your business that we're investing into the right tools, the right people, the right skill sets, and the culture of our organizations to make all of the difference in the world.